Understanding closing arguments in legal English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase often used in legal contexts: closing arguments. Whether you're a fan of legal dramas or just curious about legal terminology, this video will help you understand what closing arguments are and how they are used. So, let's dive in. Closing arguments refer to the final statements made by attorneys in a court case, just before the jury goes to deliberate. These arguments are crucial as they offer lawyers one last chance to persuade the jury about their client's position. Unlike the rest of the trial, where evidence is presented, closing arguments are about summarizing the case and highlighting key points. The primary purpose of closing arguments is to convince the jury. Lawyers use this opportunity to 1. Recap the evidence. 2. Emphasize the strengths of their case. 3. Point out the weaknesses in the opposing side's arguments. This is where lawyers try to make a lasting impression on the jury. Closing arguments typically follow a specific structure. 1. Introduction. The lawyer restates the main issue. 2. Body. Here, the lawyer summarizes the evidence, often using storytelling to make the case more compelling. 3. Conclusion. The lawyer ends with a strong statement, urging the jury to consider their viewpoint. It's important to note that closing arguments can vary significantly. In criminal cases, the focus might be on reasonable doubt. In civil cases, the emphasis might be more on the balance of probabilities. Understanding this context is key to fully grasping the nuances of the phrase. The language in closing arguments is often persuasive and emotional. Lawyers use rhetorical devices like repetition, analogies, and strong adjectives to make their point. This makes them interesting from both a legal and linguistic perspective. Closing arguments are a fascinating part of the legal process, blending law and language artfully. I hope this video has been informative and engaging. Remember, understanding phrases like closing arguments can be a window into both legal culture and the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.